Hi family, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Selina Zinchuk. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I will be taking my hair from that to this slick down ponytail. My channel is mainly about DIY natural hair and beauty. If that's something that interests you, come on and join the family. I'm doing something very different today. This is my first time attempting to do such a hairstyle. So come along and see exactly how I achieve it. Please follow me on Instagram at selinazinchuk as I'm now starting to post there regularly. And also my business page at Secrets 2018. To achieve this style, I want to do it on clean hair. So my hair is very tangled up and dirty right now. So I'm just going to part it in sections and then I'm going to go and do my complete wash day routine. Family, so I'm done with my pre-poo treatment, my shampoo treatment, and my deep condition treatment. The products I will be using to achieve this slick ponytail my first time. I have my leave-in conditioner. This is from the main chars. It's a four-way conditioner. It's a cold wash, a leave-in, a detangler, and a rinse out. But I will be using it as my leave-in because I love the way it gives me a lot of slip. And since I got my daughters and my nieces downstairs and they are very loud, just in case if you guys can hear that. So I'll be using this first as my leave-in. It will also help me to detangle my hair because I didn't detangle my hair. I plan on detangling my hair with my white tooth comb after I put in my leave-in. And then I also got my carrot growth oil, which I will be using. This is my first time using this, but I picked this up. This is my got to be glue spray. And then I also have another got to be glue product. This is a styling sparkling glue. I got that. And then I will be using my wet line gel. Maybe I don't need all of these products, but when I watch some YouTube videos, I saw they use a gel, they use a got to be they use a glue, got to be glue, they use a leave-in and an oil. So that's just something I'm just trying to copy and see if I can acquire this. And the girl that I saw did this, I will leave her video down in the description box, but she did it on a very short hair, which I feel a short hair is difficult to pull it back. If she was able to do that, that's amazing. But my hair is long and is very thick, so my experience will be it will be a task for me because this is also my first time trying this. Really hope this turned out good because today is October 15th. It's hubby birthday. My mom is over, my mother-in-law, not my biological mom, because I lost my biological mom. And I don't like to talk about it, but I lost my biological mom. So my mother-in-law is over, but I also call her mom. And then my father-in-law is over, and then my two nieces is over. So we all plan to go for a dinner this evening, and I need to get my hair ready. So wish me luck. I hope this turned out good. Let's get this done because I'm the only person that take hours to get my hair done. The rest of the family, it takes them pretty much 5 minutes. But I still love my hair. And I would never trade it for anything. Okay, I don't have enough time, but I'm just having a nice day. Things are going great. Hubby birthday. Hubby been very sick lately, but he was able to survive it. So we just need to celebrate his birthday, give him a good evening, and just tell God thank you. So I'm gonna start by
Titan clean, applying the leave-in Titan cord, and then I'll come back after the leave-in is completely in, and then we can start the actual process. What I'm doing is just going in with a little bit of my carrot growth oil, massage that into my hair. And then go in with my leave-in conditioner. And then use my white tooth comb to detangle. Start from the ends. And then just work my way up. Once this section is fully detangled, I just twist it up and move to the next section.
family, so if you love this video, can you please give me a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and subscribe. I'm very late right now. We have to run out, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye. Bye family. Bye family.